And one more day to review our stem and leaf histograms and box plots. All right. Our data for this independent work that you were assigned to do from last time's lesson includes the numbers from 4 up to 65, and it is in sequential order from smallest to biggest. So I'm going to put a 0 here to represent the fact that 4 does not have a tens place. Then I have 14, 16, 17, and 18. Moving on to my stem with the 20s. So I have 21, 23, 25, 25 again. Moving to the 30s, I have 35, 37, 39, 45 is the only one I have in the 40s, 56, and 65. There we go. And as we move into making our histogram for this data, again, if we have taken the time and have this done correctly, we can use our data from our stem and leaf plot to make our histogram. We have one piece of data that is between 0 and 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of data. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of data that are between 10 and up to 20. We have 4 more pieces of data in the 20 bin. 3 pieces of data in the 30 bin. 1 piece of data in the 40 bin. That's just the sad, lonely 45. Then we have 1 piece of data in 50 bin and 1 piece of data in the 60 bin. So that's that. And then to make our box plot, I think we're going to go back to kind of moving up and down on our page here to kind of go through this quicker so I don't have to write that list for you because that takes a little time. And we want to keep moving. Our maximum and minimum are 4 and 65. So I'm going to put my 4 right about here, min, and just like I did that other time, if you were watching, I'm going to label it. The minimum is 4. Label it over here because the box plot's in my way. And then I'm going to go to my 65, which is between 60 and 70. That's my max, and that's 65. To find my range, I can do 65, subtract 4, and I get 61. So there's my range. All right, then we're going to move back up top and see what we can do to find the median, counting from end to end. And I should get that a little bit more centered for you so you can see my work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my middle piece is 25. All right. Going down back to the bottom, and I'm going to find 25, and 25 is right here. That's my median. And now I need to go back to the top and find my quartiles. I'm going to put my median over there so I don't lose that. And first quartile, 1, 2, 3, 17. This quartile, 39. All right, so I'm going to slide my paper, and quartile 1, as I circled up above, is 17. So that's going to be 15 is right in the middle there. 17 I'm going to estimate here, and I'm going to write Q1. And over on the other side of the median, I'm going to figure out where about 39 is. And that's going to be Q3. Make my little box. Draw my little whiskers. And I have a box plot done. Now to get the mean for this, we could also go ahead and add up all these numbers. And let's see if I can make my calculator work again. Let's see. Tilt this up so we don't have quite the glare. And we are going to add 4 plus 14. All right, and I got 440. And then if I count up how many pieces of data I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I can either do it this way, or I can do 440 divided by 15 with my calculator. And I get 29 and a repeating 3. And we learned in the past class, when class was in session, that when I have a repeating decimal, I put a line above it. It's a repeating bar, and that tells me that that decimal goes on and on and on and repeats.